Scooby-Doo's 1-2-3 Mystery by Benjamin Bird. 1. One hungry dog is missing his snacks. Barks Scooby-Doo. 2. Scooby-Doo and Shaggy are on the case. The two friends split up. 3. Scooby-Doo digs around 3 trees. No Scooby Snacks there. 4. Scooby-Doo looks under 4 rocks. No Scooby Snacks there either. 5. Scooby-Doo sniffs inside 5 trash cans. He barks. 6.
Lunch,
Says Scooby, stopping to eat. He orders 6 hot dogs to start. 7. Then Scooby orders 7 sandwiches. With extra cheese, of course. 8. Scooby-Doo eats 8 apple pies for dessert. He barks. 9. Scooby drinks 9 milkshakes as Shaggy arrives. He has found the snacks. 10. Shaggy pours 10 treats on the ground, but Scooby can't even eat one. Thanks for